So let's talk about scorecards of China Master round of 32. Last match, Dachapol Supisarra won against HSU. Scores were 21-5, 21-10. I will say that it was a dominating win for Dachapol and Supisarra. Next is Jikil and Delru, who were against Thailand players Outputhong and Sujai. 21-12, 16-21, 17-21, and Thailand pair won here. I was looking forward for Jikal and Delru to do some upsets in China Masters, but Thailand player pair we like. We will do upset in this first round. Let's talk about women singles top matches. First of all, Cho Chuang was against Zheng Bewen and it was one of the classic matches in women singles. Scores were 17-21, 21-13 and 21-14. It is highly recommended by me that please watch this women singles match. Let's talk about next women singles match. Anseong, who was against Nidaira from Japan. Scores were 21-13, 21-13. As expected, Anseong is giving straight to sets wins with domination. Let's talk about next match, which is pure domination. World number 31 Jacobson, who was against PV Sindhu, and scores were 21-5, 21-10. PV Sindhu was literally in fire mode in today's match, and I was really loving how she was moving on the court. Let's talk about next women's singles match that you should watch out, and the scores were 21-17, 21-23 and 21-15. I'm talking about Michelle Lee versus Busanan. This match was one of the craziest match from round of 32. Two matches that I recommended, please watch them. Let's talk about men's doubles. First of all, Gautama Isfahani versus Hoki Kobayashi, and as I told you in my today's video that Hoki Kobayashi are looking way good, as I have always liked them as the men's doubles pair, and scores were 16-21, 20-22. Hoki Kobayashi won here, defeating Gautama and Isfahani. Let's talk about next Malaysian pair, Go Isdin, who was against Artianto, and new pair Rambitan, and scores were 12-21, 21-11 and 22-20. Let's talk about day one's top rated match, and you have to watch out this match, which was against Chen Liu and Kim Seo. As I have discussed in my multiple videos that Chen Liu are breakout player for me in 2025 in men's doubles, who were against number 1 Kim Seo, and scores, let me tell you, scores 18-21, 21-19 and 21-15. Chen Liu was this close to defeat world number ones, but as experience comes in court, they won. Kim Seo won here, but I see Chen Liu's future like they will dominate badminton world in men's doubles. Let's talk about Li Yang versus Ketran and Dachapol. I am literally worried about what's going on in men's doubles. Dachapol and Ketran, what's going on? I don't know what is happening. If you know, just comment down below what's going on with this pair, because scores are 21-8, 21-18. There was a time few months back when I used to predict that Dachapol and Ketran can be in finals, can be in semi-finals. They used to perform at that level, and right now this scores doesn't justify their potential. Finally, let's talk about men's singles. Kunlaut Witsan was against Jason Teh, and scores were 21-15, 21-17. I was expecting a third set, but still Jason gave a good fight here. Let's talk about next men's singles match. Lo Yukin, who was against Nguyen. Lo Yukin gave some of the craziest matches last week, but right now again consistency issue is going on with Lo Yukin because he lost against Nguyen. 20-22 and 14-21 are the scores. Nguyen won against Lo Yukin in first round. Next match is Kodai Naroka versus Wang Gongyang, and I was like, whoa, these scores can't be real, because scores were 16-21 and 9-21. Kodai Naroka is not an easy player, and defeating him with a 9 scores is just crazy level. I will say that Wang Gongyang performing crazy good. As I talked about in my Chinese domination video, that every other Chinese players are dominating, and Wang Gongyang is also one of the examples. Finally, let's talk about men's singles. Craziest match of day 1, Chou Tin Chen versus Ayush Shetty, and scores are 21-19, 12-21, 21-16. Ayush had some chances to win in third set, but Chou, man, even though when he was tired in match, still he was performing still. And last week we all know some of the craziest third sets Chou Tin Chen gave, one of the craziest matches, Chou Tin Chen versus Sen Lakshya, and still he is there. 35 years old Chou Tin Chen giving craziest matches here. I have already discussed about why Chinese are dominating in each and every categories in this video. Click here and understand why Chinese are dominating in each and every categories.